Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So in today's video, we'll be showing you some DIY hacks to tie or just make the dresses. You can keep it easily. So take the jeans and you can fold it like this. Now we'll be showing you how to fold the shirt or jacket. So fold it from the side like this. Now put it hands on the right like this. Now fold it from the down side and fold it again. Roll it and fix it inside the space like this. Fix it from the top as shown and it's done. Now take a shirt, fold it from the sides like this. Roll it and then fold its hands. Now roll it upward, fold it from the top and again fix them into each other and then close it and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the jacket and then fold it like this. Now by folding it from all the sides, fix them into each other. Now take a cover and you can put it inside like this. Fold it clearly and then put it like this and it's done. Next, take the pant and then fold it from the sides. Now roll it like this. Now put one leg up and then fold it like this. Now fix it by folding it inside and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a t-shirt and then fold it from the sides like this. Now after that, roll it from the sides and then fold it from the top and roll it. Now fix it by folding it like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a t-shirt and some daily accessories clothes. So now we will fold it like this. Fold it from the sides. Now fold it from the top and the sides and fix them into each other and it's done. Now going on to t-shirt, fold it from the other side like this and then fold it like this from the other side and down side. Fix them. Now put the jeans like this. Fold it from the top, fold it one leg and then put the t-shirt over it. Now roll it. Now put the other dresses and accessories. Now fold it like this and cover it from the top and it's done. See how beautifully it's done inside a one cloth like this and it's ready.